Where did you meet this guy?
Only apps.
Only apps.
Yeah. Like Skype.
Mm. So, cause he know you are a lady boy.
Yeah.
Do he ask you for
Yeah.
node like that
She asked me
picture?
who I am and what I am.
No, yeah, okay, that's good. But I'm asking you, do you did he ask you to send him a nude picture? Yung nakahubad, nagtatanong, nangingi sa'yo.
No, never.
That's good.
She's a good boy.
Mm.
Then securing me and love me what I am. Like
Mm.
I'm transgender.
That's good.
Yeah, she
Mm.
very respectful.
That's good of him. That's good that you find that kind of foreigner. So did he support you like that?
What?
Did he support you? Support financial
Yeah,
financial.
yeah,
Do he
before.
send you money before?
Yes, before.
Mm. But you never seen him in person.
Yes.
Hindi pa kayo
Never,
never,
never.
you guys never meet each
Yeah,
other, right? How
no.
long you guys been chatting? Have boyfriend girlfriend online? How long or how many years?
1 and 2 months.
1 year and two
Yeah.
months. So why did you guys break up?